lab. I'm going to show you as if you were missing. So if you weren't here, you can go through the lab on your own. A couple basic steps. I'll show you what the students did when they were here, and then what you need to do on your own.
So in our lab today, we're going to be using M&Ms to simulate atoms. To show half-life or radioactive decay, we're going to be looking at M on top of the M&Ms. If the M is up, it is still normal. If it is down, it is decayed.
To get the lab started, you need to get your candy organized. Make sure you have enough of the candy you need. In this case, for this lab, we went with M&Ms, most popular just because of the different colors. Getting them into the cup, making sure the M&Ms all have an actual M on them. Believe it or not, some of them actually have a default where they do not show the M. Then you're going to start by shaking out the M&Ms like so and spreading them out over a paper towel.
Like was discussed when I was going over the lab, the M will show that the atom is not decayed. If it flips or the M is no longer showing, then that means that atom has decayed and will be removed.
This is what it looks like. One side will have the M&Ms with the M showing, the other will be down. Then you'll repeat the process again, just like this. You'll record your trial until all 10 are completed or until all the atoms are decayed, meaning all the M&Ms showed the M down. On this sheet, 2 trials were completed. To show an example, your number of atoms remaining will decrease over time because each time you roll them out, more will actually decay. Now with that, you might not use all the trials.
As we've been practicing, you're going to make a time graph here. On the x-axis, you're going to have time in seconds. On the y-axis, you're going to have number of radioactive isotopes remaining.
On this, you'll see the graph that will be used. Like was mentioned, you'll use time compared to radioactive elements remaining. It should be a graph that decays over time or gets lower. If it has a trend that doesn't follow that, then you need to redo your data. All of these questions on the post lab will focus on that graph you make, looking at the decay over time. It'll look at different analysis of it, focusing on the idea of analyzing graph data similar to the ACT.
Once you have completed the lab, gotten all your data, you can grab your M&Ms, go ahead, eat them up.